Hey there, my name is Matthew, and do you ever wish you could streamline your daily carry items like your phone, your keys, your wallet, and leave that bulky wallet at home? Are you ever afraid that you might lose it with all your valuable cards like your ID, your bank card, maybe your parking card, or any difficult to replace one? Maybe you've already lost your wallet. You want to find a simple and straightforward way to keep track of it and always be able to find it. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the solution to all of these problems and more with the Simply Perfect 2024 IF Design Award-winning ESR Geo Wallet Stand. Today is a lucky day. Thank you so much to ESR for sending over the Geo Wallet Stand. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, that's the charging. Yeah. The design and the build quality of this is absolutely stunning. I don't know if it's made of leather or what, but you can tell this is strong. This is absolutely wonderful. I'm enjoying this thing already. The wallet is designed so you just push the cards up. Away they go. Oh, that's to put your hand in. And that just slides up there. Oh my gosh, this is designed incredibly well. You can hook your hand in there, so when you've got it on the back of the phone, which of course we'll test that out shortly, it seems to be stitched beautifully. It's strong feeling, secure. Wow, I love the design of this thing. And obviously we're going to test it with the phone, but as is, it just sets up so nice, and that just slips back down like that. I mean, this is straightforward, simple, and a beautiful design. This one has the MagSafe, so it should give us the real connection. Should just be as simple as that. Oh, it's hard to remove it. Oh, that's nice. Secure, satisfying. Oh, man. This is wonderful. And then you've got the little loop in the back. Oh, I'm in love. It weighs almost nothing. It just attaches so simply. You pop your cards in. Just like that. Simple as can be. This is as awesome as it looks. You just attach it and away you go. And I've just got the USB-C cable here just plugged up into my computer, and you can see the little indicator light here so that you know when you have this thing charging. Just a quick little magnet. Boop. And that's obviously going to charge the receiver, this whatever generates the signal to find my iPhone, but in this case to find my Geo Wallet Stand, which is amazing because instead of trying to put, like an AirTag or something inside your actual, and then setting up the features on this wallet, you can see that you have to turn on the two-factor authentication, to turn on the Find My iPhone settings, which I do have turned on, and then you need your location services turned on, your Bluetooth to connect to the wallet. You have to make sure that your phone is, of course, connected to the internet. Now, something I didn't notice on first look, there's actually a small power button on the inside of the wallet here, and you can see it right there. And it says, press the power button once to beep will indicate it is turned on. Right, so we're inside the settings on the phone, and the first couple of steps in the instructions, which I'm going through here, they would require me to reveal a bit of personal information that I'm not going to do, but I'll let you know. You just go to the settings, you click on the top where your name is, and you're going to make sure to turn on two-factor authentication, which on my phone I've been using for a very long time. The second thing you want to do under the same Apple account under your name is to turn on the Find My iPhone feature. Sounds obvious, but to use that function you will need to turn it on your phone. As well, you have to have location services turned on so that, of course, it can track and find the location of the device. Finally, you need to have your Bluetooth turned on because that's how the wallet communicates with the phone, and you have to have your phone connected to the internet. Now, I found it very easy to get the wallet paired. All I had to do is go into the wallet, And to use the little power button, so I'm just charging it now just to make sure it's got some juice. So I got the wallet here, and you just look on the inside. We talked about that before. And you press that little power button. And it's supposed to beep. I haven't heard it beep yet, but the light is on. All right, and then what you do is you go into the phone and you go into the Find My settings. And on the back here, there's a third set of instructions. You want to tap on Add Items, so it has items at the bottom. Add Item, and you want to add where it says Other Supported Items at the bottom. Tap on that. It's going to search, and theoretically, it should bring up the ESR Halo Lock Geo Wallet Stand. You want to click on Connect and add a name. It's going to be my wallet. That's good enough for now. An emoji, sure. Little credit card, and that's it. This item is linked. And now, just like that, I can track the location of my wallet, which I have never been able to do before, and I'm very, very thankful to do. I think that is fantastic. This is such a cool feature. And just in testing the function of this thing, you can set it like almost at any spot and it holds its position. So like if you want to have it on a wide open angle, it'll just stay there. Short, smaller, smaller. And the other thing I didn't demonstrate, you can turn it around and you can use it in landscape mode as well. So just like that, you know, it's magnet, so you just kind of position it where you want it. Good old MagSafe. This thing is as straightforward and as awesome as it looks. I love this thing so much already. Wow. If I put just one card in, wow, it actually holds it very, very well. Like I am shaking that really a massive ton here. And that's pretty good. Let's put 2 cards in. Of course, that's even more secure. And then you just push it up from the bottom here. Boop, and up they go. Oh my gosh, no wonder this thing is a design award winner. With 3 cards in here, I think is absolutely the most secure, the most ideal. This is as simple as it looks. This is an amazing product. Obviously, I haven't tested it for weeks and weeks, but my first impression is that this is everything you'd expect and more. The build quality of it is amazing. If you want to have your wallet to go out, you just slip it on your phone, away you go. So now you know that with this simple, lightweight, and well-designed piece of tech, you can always have your most important cards at your fingertips and be able to track a lost wallet with ease. But thanks to the MagSafe design, the chances of losing your wallet have never been lower. Obviously, if you need to have every card you've ever collected with you at all times, this product isn't for you. But if you're like a student, you're heading to work, or just a quick trip to the store, the ESR Geo Wallet Stand gets the job done securely and safely in style. Check the special link in the description for 25% off today. Please, if you made it to this point in the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help me reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching.